Okay, hi guys, hi, good morning. Vuyani Vitalis Nyezi here. We are here in Eastern Cape, Mkhwese SS Life Changing Journey. Siyabonga guys ukuthi nihambe nathi, nihlangene nathi Life Changing Journey ke njengoba ithembisile ukuthi inenyezi Vuyani Vitalis Foundation.
Arqasimola sebelethweni misolo
Abantwana siba-support, abantwana sibanakekela, sizoshintsha iy'mpilo zabo namhlanje sithi nje konga kulokhu uhlala oluhlophe lesihlango.
Hello South Africa, we are grateful for everything. Right now we know that we are exposed to social media and stuff, and we are going to get help next year when we receive our results for grade 12. So yeah,